Magic square creation under 60 seconds or less utilizing Numpy and basically a matrix. All right, what we're doing here is you have to make sure all your columns and your rows and your diagonals are all equal to each other to give you a kind of a semi-random magic square. This is seeded, so I get kind of the same result each time. All right, as we run through, you look right here, there's your calculations per second, your time between each calculation as a bonus. But again, this is all spaghetti code. All right, now let's look at a little bit more of a cleaned up version. We're going to utilize numba's JIT in order to speed this up. And again, the code is also much cleaner. You can use Rust, Cython, LU, whatever. And it's not seeded to get a more of a random response. Boom, right there, 2.72 seconds before coming to an answer. Try again, and you get an idea of the speed. And there we are once again. Boom, look at the number of calculations and the speed of the calculation per second. All will be posted on YouTube. Ralph signing off. Look forward to talking to y'all later on. Catch you then. Bye.